we're embarking on a thrilling journey from our campsite in Westport to the captivating Pancake Rocks. This scenic reserve park promises awe-inspiring views and pristine landscapes, open and welcoming to all. Even wheelchair users can explore about 80% of the picturesque trail. We plan to create a dedicated video to showcase this stunning reserve. But for now, let's share some of its best moments. Our original plan was to conclude our day at Hokitika Beach, but fate had other ideas. Stay tuned to find out what unfolds. Welcome back to our journey through New Zealand. We've now completed 1/4 of our trip, and today marks day 8 of our adventure. Today we embark on a breathtaking coastal drive along the west coast.
A year earlier, we had meticulously planned and prepared everything. Our tour documents were ready. The route took us from Westport, past the Pancake Rocks, through Greymouth, and onwards to Hokitika. The excitement was palpable, as this journey promised breathtaking natural experiences and picturesque coastal views.
We have some spectacular drone footage to share with you. The drive along the west coast took us through majestic landscapes where the rugged waves of the Tasman Sea crash against rocky cliffs. Along the way, we discovered hidden coves and beaches that invite you to linger. Just enjoy this wonderful landscape with us. We tried to fit them into the music, but now I'm shutting up again. The Pancake Rocks are a unique geological phenomenon, resembling stacked pancakes, and they offer a fascinating sight. We marveled at these wonders of nature as seawater sprayed through the blowholes, creating a spectacular show effect. Our drone captured this natural spectacle from above to bring you closer to the beauty of this place. In the heart of Paparoa National Park on New Zealand's South Island, approximately 40 kilometers north of Greymouth, lies a remarkable formation known as Pancake Rocks. Situated right on the Tasman Sea, these rocks resemble stacked pancakes, which is how they got their name. Formed 30 million years ago from layers of calcareous sediments and clay minerals, these rocks erode at varying rates. Since being uplifted by tectonic forces and exposed to waves, wind, and rain, erosion has been relentless. The crashing surf carves out caves and crevices, pushing water and air through narrow openings and tunnels in the rock, creating the distinctive hissing and bubbling of blowholes visible and audible above the rocks. A short loop track winds through these fascinating formations, partly accessible for those with mobility challenges. Various viewing platforms provide dramatic vistas of the roaring blowholes. The Paparoa National Park Information Center is conveniently located at the entrance to Pancake Rocks, with parking available opposite along New Zealand State Highway 6.
It was a sunny day, perfect for exploring New Zealand's picturesque landscapes. After soaking in the breathtaking views at the scenic reserve, we settled down at a cozy restaurant on site and indulged in a delicious slice of pizza. Soon after, we continued our journey along the absolutely stunning coastal road. Despite the video running a bit longer, we couldn't get enough of this dreamy route in New Zealand. Our next destination was just 50 kilometers away, Greymouth. In New Zealand, going on a road trip feels like a rapid journey through different climate zones. As we moved away from the tropical rainforest zone, it felt like diving into a new world. The landscape changed dramatically, from lush greenery to a rugged, distinct vegetation. The roads wound through this breathtaking diversity, and it was like changing nature multiple times a day. The density of the jungle gave way to barren, open landscapes with striking rock formations and lush meadows. It was a visual feast for the senses as we drove through this amazing terrain. It's hard to believe how different the surroundings can be within just a few hours. But that's precisely what makes New Zealand so unique and exciting for road trips. Every turn offers a new surprise, a new story, making this country a paradise for explorers. Greymouth, once a place of historical significance for the Maori, stands majestically along New Zealand's rugged west coast. Its name derives from the Grey River Mauaranui and the English word mouth, alluding to the river's mouth into the Tasman Sea. Nestled between the Southern Alps and the roaring ocean, this town provides an intriguing starting point for our adventure. Greymouth has 6,000 inhabitants. Here, where the banks of the Grey River divide the town into Blaketown to the south, Kororo to the southeast, and Cobden to the north. Our journey begins. The Maori once referred to this place as Mawera, a name still used for both the river and the town today. Before European settlers explored the region, Thomas Brunner was among the first to traverse this breathtaking terrain in 1846. From Greymouth, on clear days, we can catch a glimpse of the majestic Aoraki Mount Cook to the south, New Zealand's highest peak. Our route will take us along the stunning coastline, past breathtaking viewpoints, and through picturesque coastal towns.
Wir waren jetzt in Greymouth auf der Route nach Hokitika und haben uns hier im Sparks. Da bekommt ihr die 400 GB Highspeed für euch wieder. Und jetzt geht's weiter nach Hokitika.
Hokitika even briefly served as the capital of the Westland province, which existed from 1873 until the abolition of provinces in 1876. Despite its short tenure as a capital, Hokitika left behind a rich history that is still palpable in the streets and businesses of the town today.
Perfect, my friend! What's this for a car?
1938 Chev.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Kai,
During the 1860s, amid the gold rush on New Zealand's west coast, Hokitika quickly emerged as a key center. The town along the Hokitika River attracted thousands of adventurers seeking their fortune in gold mining. John Lazar, a member of the local Jewish community, played a prominent role as a town official and Freemason. The port town of Hokitika thrived. By 1867, it was leading New Zealand in both the number of vessels entering and the total value of exports, primarily gold.
Hallöchen, jetzt sind wir hier in Hokitika am wundervollen Beach. Hier hinten seht ihr unser Schiff. Damit geht es dann morgen in den See weiter Richtung Süden. Und das hier ist ein ganz besonderer Stein. Die Farbe sieht man erst richtig, wenn man das anleckt. Wahnsinn, oder? So was Schönes habt ihr doch noch nie gesehen, meine Freunde.
We found this very rough beach wonderful and decided today to make some spaghetti for a change and eat it at the front of the beach. But a few little unifolk wanted to snatch a few delicacies.
Holt euch was von Kai!
We savored our dinner amidst the stunning New Zealand landscape and decided on a whim to continue our journey, unable to stay the night where we were. Our destination, an iconic New Zealand attraction. Upon arrival, we opted to park right on site, a choice that holds a secret to be revealed tomorrow.
So we packed up our 7 things and set off, roughly 30 kilometers towards the interior of the country.
Hier kommen wir auch schon, wie ihr seht, an wundervollen Stellen vorbei.
We drove into the interior of the country again and parked directly at the entrance to Hokitika Gorge. We struggled a bit with the sandflies there, but also spotted 3 kiwis, or so we thought until then. Early the next morning, we planned to hike through the wonderful nature park before other noisy tourists arrived. Stay tuned if you want to see it. Day 9. Alternatively, you can watch our dedicated film about Hokitika Gorge Park. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Don't miss out. Follow us for more adventures.